Welcome to this course, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Imagine unlocking new career opportunities and gaining a competitive edge in your field just by knowing how to harness the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is a must for individuals or businesses to push the boundaries of what's possible, driving success like never before. With AI revolutionizing the way we live and work, new innovations are touching our lives every day. From life-saving leaps forward in healthcare management and fraud detection and prevention in finance, to personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, autonomous vehicles, personalized experiences through Netflix and Spotify, and fresh content generated by ChatGPT in seconds, people who know how to use AI are transforming our world. If you're looking to fuel your career and transform your business, this course is your gateway to an exciting field shaping your future. According to PwC, over 70% of companies have already adopted some form of AI, and that trend is only set to increase. Whether you're a CEO, software developer, product designer, administrator, or individual just starting out in your career, AI can enable you to do your job in new, more powerful ways. Therefore, this course is for all beginners interested in knowing AI, whether professionals, enthusiasts, practitioners, or students. So if you're looking to take your career to the next level or shine out as a business innovator using AI, this course is the ideal way to begin your AI journey. This course serves as your gateway into the dynamic world of AI, where you'll deepen your understanding of its fundamental concepts and terminology. By the end of this course, you will be able to describe what AI is and explain its core concepts. You will understand how AI applications and use cases can transform our lives and work. You will also recognize the potential and impact of AI in transforming businesses and careers, and discuss the issues, limitations, and ethical concerns surrounding AI. What can you look forward to as you advance through this course? The course is divided into 4 power-packed modules. As soon as you start with the first module, you'll dive into the world of AI, looking at popular AI applications that are already in use across many industries. You'll learn about various common tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and other applications of generative AI. You'll gain insights into virtual assistants and smart home devices that use AI to automate routine tasks to make life so much more convenient. And you'll examine how AI is reshaping various industries and sectors. In the second module, you'll immerse yourself in the core concepts of AI and build your confidence in using technical terms such as deep learning, machine learning, and neural networks. You'll look at generative AI models, including large language models or LLMs, and their capabilities. You'll explore the development and application of AI and build your understanding of various domains such as natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. And you'll discover how advancements in these areas are driving exciting innovations that are changing how we live and work. Once you begin with the third module, you're going to discover how AI can be leveraged for content generation, data analysis, customer service, product development, and more. You're going to see how AI is already benefiting organizations through real-world use cases, and you'll be guided to work out how AI can transform your work and work environment too. Plus, you'll explore some of the most sought-after AI careers, including AI engineering, data science, robotics engineering, NLP engineering, and AI research, so you can then make an informed decision on what your next learning step should be once you've completed the course. Naturally, other aspects of AI need to be considered too. So in the fourth module, you'll look at the ethics of AI, how it is governed, and how prevalent concerns and issues surrounding the AI landscape are being addressed. You'll gain insights into aspects of AI like explainability, fairness, robustness, transparency, and privacy. And you'll investigate the different perspectives of key players and the approaches they are using to address the ethical challenges posed. To help you get your head around all these new terms and build your confidence in the subject, your learning journey will follow a series of videos and readings. You'll have fabulous opportunities to chat with your peers and connect with course staff in the discussion forum. And you'll hear from experienced practitioners through expert viewpoint videos as they share their perspectives on the concepts that you learn. You'll also participate in hands-on activities and labs that help you apply your knowledge in practice and deepen your understanding. You'll be presented with practice quizzes at the end of each lesson to help you reinforce your learning. And you'll complete a final project and graded quiz at the end of the course so you can earn your certificate. So, if you're ready to explore the world of AI and discover how your understanding of AI concepts can power your career and put you ahead of the rest of your field, you've come to the right place. Let's get started.